Indian economic updates. India to look beyond production-linked incentive schemes to establish itself as a global manufacturing powerhouse. While PLI schemes have boosted local manufacturing in telecom and electronics, more is needed to create jobs and reduce reliance on imports. Suggestions include developing export-oriented industrial hubs, improving logistics, and fostering sector-specific skills. The auto and renewable energy sectors show promise, with investments in green vehicle manufacturing and solar module production rising. However, further policy reforms are needed to replicate success across more sectors, particularly in creating a robust local supply chain and reducing dependence on imports from China. India's industrial production slowed to a 5-month low of 4.2% in June, down from 6.2% in May, driven by a sharp decline in manufacturing growth, which fell to a 7-month low of 2.6%. The index of industrial production had grown 4% in June last year. Electricity and mining sectors grew 8.6% and 10.3% year-on-year, respectively. Consumer durables rose 8.6%, but non-durable goods contracted 1.4%, reflecting weak rural demand. Capital goods growth slowed to 2.4%, the lowest since February 2024, while infrastructure goods growth declined to a 7-month low of 4.4%. Analysts expect IIP growth to ease further to 2.5 to 4.5% in July. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman urged banks to prioritize raising smaller deposits, which are vital to the banking system, amid growing concerns over the widening gap between deposits and credit. Speaking after the RBI board meeting, she emphasized the need for innovative deposit schemes as deposit growth lags behind lending. RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das echoed these concerns, warning that the trend could lead to liquidity issues. He urged banks to focus on low-cost CASA deposits instead of bulk deposits. Das also announced that sovereign green bond trading would soon commence at GIFT City and highlighted the importance of developing a climate taxonomy, which he believes will significantly boost long-term financing for the green sector. The Indian rupee closed at a record low of 83.97 against the US dollar on Monday, driven by a broader decline in Asian currencies due to risk aversion ahead of US consumer price inflation data. Rising crude oil prices added pressure on the rupee, which traded within a narrow range of 83.95 to 83.97. The Reserve Bank of India likely intervened to prevent the currency from breaching the 84.00 mark. US inflation data, expected to show a 3% increase, has fueled concerns of a slowdown in the US economy, impacting emerging market currencies. Crude oil prices rose to $80.32 per barrel, raising risks to India's trade balance and inflation.